The volume of the liquid is given by the formula V equals 6h cubed. The rate of change of volume is 36 cubic centimeters per second. The liquid is leaking and the volume decreases. So dV over dt is negative 36. We have to find the rate of change of height, dH over dt, when the volume is 384. To solve the problem, we use the chain rule. dV over dt equals dV over dH times dH over dt. Since V equals 6h cubed, dV over dH is 18h squared. When the volume is 384, the height of the liquid is 4 centimeters. We substitute dV over dt equals negative 36, and dV over dH equals 18h squared. Simplifying the equation, dH over dt equals negative 2 over h squared. V equals 384 corresponds to h equals 4. Substituting this value, we solve to get negative 0.125, meaning the height is decreasing at the rate of 0.125 centimeters per second.